smart humans! Welcome back to Mimi Science Time! I'm your favorite science buddy, and today we are following food on the most dangerous journey of its life. It all begins here, the mouth.
Hey, why are there teeth everywhere?
Relax, foodie. Teeth are like tiny crushers. They break food into smaller pieces so your body can say, ah, yes, I can handle this. Whoa! What's happening? It's the esophagus. Muscles push food down using a cool movement called peristalsis.
Big word, right? It simply means squeeze and push.
Uh-oh, it smells like acid in here.
Correct. The stomach is a muscular bag filled with strong acid. It churns food like a blender. Crush, smash, smash! Welcome to the superstar of digestion, the small intestine. This is where nutrients like vitamins, glucose, and proteins are absorbed into the blood.
So this is where I become energy?
Exactly! Whatever your body doesn't need goes to the large intestine. It absorbs water, and the leftover waste, well, bye-bye! So remember, scientists, every time you eat, your body runs a full science experiment. From mouth to esophagus to stomach to intestines, all working to keep you alive. Quick quiz, where does most digestion happen? Is it A, the mouth, or B, the stomach? Or maybe it's C, small intestine. Drop your answer in the comments. And remember, science is everywhere, even in your lunch. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Subscribe for more fun science.